Yan.
Good morning po.
Good morning po.
Hello, hello po. Good morning. Thank you very much, sir, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Good morning po.
Thank you po. Good morning. Thank you. Hello. Yan. Ito namang si Tonton ang kasama.